For numbers 8, 9, and 10, we're given some information and asked to write the equation of a line. Number 8 is easy because we're given a slope of -4 and an intercept of 5. So the answer is y equals mx, or -4x plus b, in this case 5. When you're given the slope and intercept, it's the easiest of the three. The next one gives us a coordinate point, which is an x and a y, and it also gives us a slope. So what we need to do is write a y equals mx plus b using the information that we have. Instead of y, we'll use the y value, which is 9, equals m times x, or 2/3 times 3 plus b. What we're doing is using the information we have to find out what b is, because that's the information we need. 2/3 times 3 is 2, so we end up with 9 equals 2 plus b. We want to get b by itself, so we have to move this 2 to the other side. And when a positive 2 crosses an equal sign, it becomes a -2. 9 minus 2 is 7. All that we have left on the right side is b. So we find that 7 equals b. Now that we have a slope and intercept, we can write an equation of this line. Y equals mx, or in this case 2/3 x plus b, which is 7. Number 10 is a 3-step problem because first we need to find m. First we'll find the slope of the line using y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, -9 minus -6 on top of 4 minus -2. You can turn these into plus signs. We end up with -3 over 6, which is equal to -1/2. So the slope of this line is -1/2. Now that we know slope, we need to find intercept, which is like we did in number 9. We're going to write a y equals mx plus b using one of these points. I'll choose the second one. Instead of y, we're going to start with -9 equals. We know that m is -1/2, and we know that x is 4 plus b. And now we're going to solve just like we did in number 9. -1/2 times 4 is -2. We end up with -9 equals -2 plus b. Move the 2 over and it becomes a +2. -9 plus 2 is -7. And all we have left on the right is b. Now that we know m and b, we can write our equation. Y equals -1/2 x minus 7. Numbers 11 and 12 ask us to write lines given certain information. In number 11, we're given an xy coordinate of 8, 3, and told to write a line that goes through the point 8, 3 and is parallel to the line y equals 1/4 x plus 8. To solve this, all we need is the slope of 1/4 and the xy. We're going to do just like we did in numbers 9 and 10. Y equals, or 3 equals, the slope times x, or 1/4 times x plus b. 1/4 times 8 is 2. 3 equals 2 plus b. Move the 2 to the other side, and we find that 1 equals b. The equation is y equals our slope of 1/4 x plus our intercept of b. Number 12 also gives us an x and a y. This time the slope of the line given to us is -2. So because we're talking about a perpendicular line, we need the opposite reciprocal of -2. We know that it'll be positive, and instead of 2 over 1, it will be 1 over 2. So we're going to use a slope of 1 over 2. And then follow the same steps. 7 equals 1/2 times 6 plus b. 1/2 times 6 is 3, so 7 equals 3 plus b. Move the 3 over. 7 minus 3 is 4, and all that we have left on the right side is b. Now we can write the equation of our line. Y equals our slope of 1/2 x plus our intercept of 4.